everyone, RV Shop and Chef here, coming to you from beautiful Camp Landa in New Braunfels, Texas. We've been here for the week working on our upcoming cruise that we are presenting in September out of New York. We're going to be hosting the cruise. It's a 7-night from September the 6th through the 13th out of New York. It's going all through New England, Halifax, Newport, Rhode Island. I mean, just a fabulous itinerary for 7 nights. And we're going to be having all sorts of events on board, camaraderie, just all kinds of fun activities and just get-togethers just to get to know you and you get to know us. But we're going to be giving more information on this cruise when we attend the rally in March in Perry, Georgia.
This is the FMCA 110th International Rally, so it's a big to-do. FMCA puts up a fabulous event, once a year. This is their premier event, and we will have a booth there featuring all of the travel that we can handle there for your consumption. This is all of the adventure travel, Hurtigruten, Quark, and Princess. We will share all of the details of the Princess Cruise on September 6th.
Yeah, we're just really excited about that. And not only that, we're going to have our Princess District Manager join us at the event. So she will be there. Amy's coming up all the way from Atlanta. Amy! Yeah, Amy. And she's also going to help us present something really big.
Can we tell them? Sure. All right, well, I'll let you let the cat out of the bag.
Okay, so we are going to be giving away a free cruise. For 2 on our RV at Sea, September 6th. So be sure and stop by and fill out a form. We're going to be drawing that cruise at the end of the rally on Saturday, the 15th. So fun. I hope you win.
Well, we look forward to seeing you at the FMCA 110th International Rally in Perry, Georgia on March 12th, and on the cruise where we'll share RV information and RV tips and tricks there on September 6th out of New York during the beautiful fall colors and, of course, those fabulous ports. So looking forward to seeing you there.
Yes, and we're also going to have all kinds of prizes and gift baskets, so you'll want to stop by. It's going to be really, really fun. We can't wait to see you there.
We'll see you there then, but for now, shush.
Hi everyone, we just got back from our trip in New Braunfels, checked the mail, and found that we have free day passes to the FMCA convention in Perry, Georgia. This is going to be March 12th through the 15th, and these are passes that we can give you. They're worth $10 a person, so I hope you can come join us. Stop by our booth number 711 and register for a free cruise. So see you there.